What happens when your thoughts move faster than your Wi-Fi? Today, we're testing a 2026 smart home controlled entirely by my brain.
We are bypassing all tactile interfaces. I've calibrated my N1 chip to the local mesh network. The door unlocks before I even consciously realize I want to go inside.
I'm stress testing simultaneous commands. I'm brewing coffee while actively adjusting the home theater acoustics through mental layering. Navigating the kitchen feels like magic. The induction range and smart fridge actually respond to hunger-induced neural spikes before I even touch them. We set a baseline. Compared to legacy touchscreen controls, thought-to-action latency is practically non-existent. But how much can the brain handle at once? We tested the link's limits by introducing extreme visual distractions. Even when highly distracted, the neural connection remains perfectly stable, prioritizing core home security. Thankfully, heavy neural firewall protocols are in place. This prevents accidental commands triggered by random, intrusive thoughts or vivid daydreams. After several hours, the mental fatigue is intense. Managing a fully responsive digital environment requires a background level of concentration you don't realize you're using. But maintaining a permanent wireless uplink to a central OS takes a toll. Monitoring my real-time brain bandwidth shows massive consumption. Reviewing the 24-hour data reveals a harsh truth. While household productivity skyrockets, the risk of severe cognitive burnout is very real. Living in the feedback loop is surreal. The predictive AI algorithms actively read my stress and relaxation indicators, adjusting the house to perfectly match my mood.
It's not just on or off. With sheer cognitive focus, I can fine-tune adjustments, dimming lights to exact, specific percentages.
Eventually, you transition from active control to passive synchronization. The house anticipates your physical needs before you consciously form the thought. This is just version 1. As residential zones adopt the 2026 high-speed BioLink standards, our minds will be permanently woven into the infrastructure. Removing the physical barrier between the human mind and the living space is the ultimate luxury. But right now, the human brain isn't built to be a router. The technology works flawlessly, but until the cognitive load is reduced, keep your smartphones. What would you automate with your mind first? Let me know in the comments, and hit subscribe for more futuristic deep dives.